Hi everyone, today we will be learning how to prepare a waterfall chart which looks something like this. To prepare the waterfall chart, first we need to understand what it is. The waterfall chart, it uh, gives a scenario where we started, where we ended, and what were the key levers or the impacts which impact resulted in the final figure. For example, we have the data here. So we had a plan of 200 crores for a company. There were few factors which resulted in decrease or increase in the sales value. So what were those? Like there were less headcount, so it impacted 30 crores. There was a higher productivity, so which gave an increment of 10 crores. There was a COVID impact of 20 crores, system issue 10 crores, and the final we landed up at 150 crores. So first we need to prepare this table in order to prepare the chart. I'll tell you how to prepare the table. So first you need to identify the headings and the walk. So this is the first step which you need to conclude at your end. And then I'll tell you how to prepare these three columns. So I'll just pick up headings from here. So for plus, we'll apply a formula here which says max and this value, which is the first value here, comma 0. And we will drag the formula. Similarly for minus, we need to do a minimum. Select this value, comma 0. Now there cannot be any negative values in the chart, so you need to add a minus sign before the minimum formula, so it will convert all the negatives to positive. We need to delete all the formulas in the minus and plus in the first row. So for the beginning and the ending row, there should not be any formula, it should be blank. And for the invisible column, we need to insert a formula which says equal to this value, and for less head count it says this plus this minus the minus value, and then drag it down. So for the chart you need to select these three columns first and go to insert, go to charts, and then select the stack chart column. So once you select the stack chart, there will be a chart which appears something like this. I'll just put it here and expand it so that you can see it clearly. Okay, so you need to first of all color this as white except the first and the last. So for this we need to format data point, color, fill, no fill. Similarly for this, no fill, no fill, no fill, and this will remain as it is. For the negative values, which was the minus ones, you need to color it as red, and for the positive values you need to cover it as green. We'll color it as green. We need to add data labels. Add the data label for the first one, add data label on top, put it on top. Similarly, add data label for the last one and put it on top, and add data labels for the minus value and delete the one for positive, and click on the green one and add data label for this. So only the green one, add data label and pull this above. So this is how you create a waterfall chart. You can give it a heading like sales walk, and that's about it. You can do some formatting in case you want. You can delete the lines here and the axis, and this is how your chart looks like. You can do some more formatting, and that's how you make a waterfall chart. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like if the video was helpful and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.